Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Let's begin with our book, Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter 32, India's Popular Industrialist. In this chapter, there are certain hints given about them. We will read the given information and then write the answers for them. Let's begin with our chapter. The question says that write the names of these super heavyweights from the world of business, and you have to take the help from the help desk. So let's begin with the exercise now. So the first question is, he is an Indian billionaire, businessman and the chairman, managing the director and the largest shareholder of the Reliance Industries Limited. And this industrialist is known as Mukesh Ambani. Then the second question is, he was the chairman of the Tata Group and the cheapest car of the world, Nano, is his brainchild. And he is known as Ratan Tata. Then the third question is, she is the founder of Bicon Limited, a biotechnology company based in Bangalore. She is presently its chairman and managing director, and her name is Kiran Majumdar-Shaw. Then the next question is, she was the chairman and CEO of PepsiCo, one of the world's largest food and beverage companies, and her name was Indra Nooyi. Then the next question, he is the chairman of Wipro Limited and he is also famous for his philanthropic work, and he is Azim Premji. Let's move on to the sixth question now. The sixth is, he is the co-founder of Infosys Technologies and he was the CEO of the company for 21 years. He is a recipient of the Padma Vibhushan and his name is Mr. N.R. Narayan Murthy. Then the seventh one is, he is an English-based Indian steel magnate and he is the chairman and the CEO of ArcelorMittal, the world's largest steel making company, and his name is Mr. Lakshmi Mittal. Then the eighth question is that he is an Indian billionaire, businessman and the chairman of Mahindra Group, the top vehicle manufacturer company, Anand Mahindra. So his name is Anand Mahindra. The ninth question is, he is an Indian billionaire industrialist who is the chairman and the founder of the Adani Group, and name of this industrialist is Gautam Adani. So these are all the respective Indian famous industrialists of India. Then this is all about it. We have a your answer please question for you children now. The question is, name the Indian billionaire industrialist and the businessman who is the head of the Godrej family and chairman of the Godrej Group. You remember children, earlier we used to have refrigerators from Godrej company. So just you have to find out that who is the Indian billionaire for this Godrej Group. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.